I have my master's in nutrition, and this is my favorite way to eat more veggies. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes for Lazy Bitches, where I make healthy eating not suck. What a concept, I know. Today we are meal prepping one of my favorite scoopable salads,
which I did a full nutritional analysis on.
Also, if you're a lazy bitch and you don't have a veggie chopper, what are you doing?
I don't have one. Maybe I need one though.
To our veggie chopper today, we are adding cucumber, red bell pepper, and a shallot. I just heated up 2 bags of frozen corn on the stove a little bit ago, and then I let it sit in the fridge, so this is nice and cold now. This is fire roasted corn. It's so good. 1 can of black beans. Then we're gonna add our veggies. Any cheese you want. My favorite is feta cheese. I literally have it with everything. Then we're gonna add in some light mayonnaise. Now, if you're not a mayonnaise person, you could sub this out for plain Greek yogurt. I just like the flavor this adds with the corn. The juice of 1 lime. Then we add in a lot of salt, garlic powder, and some onion powder, a little bit of chili powder as well. And then I was just gonna say, I also add avocado to this, but when I'm meal prepping it, I add it before I eat it so it doesn't get brown. And I already cut up my avocados. So this is also a great appetizer for like the holidays or something. And my favorite way to eat this is with tortilla chips. I'm just a firm believer that if you could dip a chip or a cracker into it, it's gonna taste better.
And including the tortilla chips in my nutritional analysis, per serving, you are getting 23 grams of protein and 21 grams of fiber. That's enough fiber that if you're not used to eating that much, you might want to stick with like half a serving or a quarter of a serving to start with. Also, over 100% daily value for vitamin A and vitamin C, 81% daily value for vitamin B6, around half of the daily value for vitamin B2, vitamin B5, iron, magnesium, and zinc, 42% of the daily value of potassium, and around 1/3 of the daily value for vitamin B1, vitamin B3, vitamin E, and calcium. Even including the tortilla chips, this is a fantastic amount of nutrition for about 650 calories, which is why when you crunch the numbers and calculate nutrient density, you end up with a nutrivore score for this scoopable salad of 309. To put that number into perspective, any food with a nutrivore score higher than about 150 is contributing more nutrients than calories to our overall diets. And this recipe is about double that threshold. If you see any recipes that you'd like me to analyze, feel free to tag me in them. And you'd probably also really enjoy my free weekly newsletter over on Substack. And if you'd like to support my work, consider joining my Patreon, which gets tons of exclusive resources, including a monthly ebook and a weekly podcast.